Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view today's financial news on Google Finance, step by step. So, once I open up Google Finance, I like to scroll down to the section labeled Today's Financial News. This area is incredibly useful because it gathers headlines from multiple trusted sources, giving a quick overview of what's happening across global markets, sectors, and major companies. It's a convenient hub that saves time compared to browsing multiple websites individually. If something catches my attention, I simply click on the article and it redirects me to the original publisher's website where I can read the full report in detail. This helps me get deeper insights, understand context, and evaluate how news might impact stock performance or overall market sentiment. What I really like about this feature is how organized and accessible everything is. It allows me to quickly scan headlines, compare perspectives, and stay informed without needing advanced tools or subscriptions. Whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, keeping up with financial news is essential for making smarter decisions. So yeah, that's how I view today's financial news on Google Finance. It's very simple, very straightforward, and extremely useful once you start using it regularly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.